Hey, I'm Jay-Z with Gets Digital Marketing, and today on this video, I'm going to show you how to get cash inside eXp Asset so you can start earning 1% daily immediately. Now, in order to do that, you have to have Bitcoin because that's what eXp Asset takes as cash. Now, you can also use Litecoin, but in this video, I'm going to focus specifically on Bitcoin and also the exchange called Bittrex. So hang tight, and I'm going to show you how. First things first, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel so you can get more videos just like this one. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is go to bittrex.com, that's bittrex.com. Then you're going to click on the sign up button, and from here you're going to put in the email address that you would like to put your password in. This will be your new password, and then you have to confirm that new password. You're going to click on sign up. And you might get this message here that says check your inbox, and to complete your registration you must confirm it. So check your email box and confirm this message. So now you're going to get a message like this in your email box, and just go and read this, and then you're going to see this link here that asks you to verify your registration. Go ahead and click verify registration, and then you'll get this confirmation that it was successful, and now you can return to the login screen. Once you're back at the login screen, go ahead and type in your email address that you signed up with and your password again. You can click remember me if you'd like and then hit login. And then you're going to read the terms and conditions and either not going to agree with them or accept the terms if you'd like to continue. Once you've confirmed your account and you're accepting the terms, you're going to basically go over the month, day, and year of your birth, your country, your street address, apartment, city, state, and so on. Once you fill this out, you're going to submit, and then you're going to verify your identity. Once you've entered your profile information, it is going to take you to the next screen, which is the identity verification. From here, you're going to start your verification, and if you read this, it's going to ask you to take a selfie to ensure that nothing is blocking your full face. You do not want to use the image from your identification documents. Don't use professional profile picture. Do not manipulate the image, and do not crop it. Okay. Once you do that, you start your verification. Then the next screen is going to be for you to enable your account. Once you do this, you're going to want to possibly, I would say, make sure that you do your two-factor authentication. This basically is when you log in, it's going to not only ask you for your password, but on your phone you're going to install an application called Google Authenticator. And from there, you're going to scan this, and that way when the next time you log in, it'll ask you for a PIN on your phone. You enter that PIN number, and it'll allow you to log in. Now that PIN number changes about every 30 seconds, so you just have to take your time and make sure that you put it in right. Now here's an example where you log in and it would ask you for your 6-digit PIN. In this case, mine's already changed from the one I'm showing you on the screen. Now I'm back inside Bittrex. And then I want to add funds to my Bittrex. So I'm going to first connect it to my checking account. Now once I've clicked on that BTC line, if you see there's two buttons, a deposit button and a withdrawal button. The first thing I want to do is click deposit. Now because I don't have a checking account linked to my Bittrex, I need to contact support to do that. So there's no bank account connected. You do not currently have a bank account configured to deposit. please contact support and add your banking information and receive wire instructions. So I'm going to click on Contact Support. Okay, so now I'm at the Submit a Request screen, and from here I'm going to leave this the way it is. I'm going to go ahead and put my email address in, and I am requesting to add dollars to the trading of the existing Bittrex account. I have identified and verified my account, uploading a selfie and government ID. And I'm operating in a qualified location, so I'm going to leave it that way. Now here it's asking me if I want to enable this trading for trading only, or if I want to make deposits and withdrawals. In this case, I want to make withdrawals and deposits. So here I'm going to click the second one here, add a bank account or upgrade USD trading only account. The next line is the Bittrex account you want to enable for US trading, verified personnel account, and approved corporate account. In my case, it's a verified personal account. Corporate account, you're going to have to go through some more hoops if you're an LLC, and if you're comfortable with giving your reports of finances, then this is where you want to go. There are some perks to doing this. The turnaround time is much quicker to get your cash in, and there's no limits. But in this case, I'm just going to do the personal because that's what most people would do. Here it's asking to enter your Bittrex account email address again, which is what I'm going to do. Next it says, am I operating in a location inside the United States or outside the United States? And you would place that information accordingly. In this case, I'm operating inside the United States. I'm just going to ask you what state you're in. Okay, and then enter the bank name, attach a copy of the statement or a letter from your bank at the end of this form. Okay, the next line is going to be Bank 1, your routing number, and please enter your ABA number, then your account number, incoming routing number, enter no if your bank does not use correspondent bank to send wires. Okay, enter your bank's address, information, beneficiary of the account, and so on. Just keep going down these lines. And once you do that, you're going to attach that document that's asking for the proof of the account. Once you do that, you're going to then submit this, and then you will wait and get some kind of verification that is verified. Once you've received the approval from Bittrex to link your account to be able to then transfer information, you will see a subject line that says Bittrex support regarding Bittrex Fiat USD trading request approved. Once you open this email, you'll see towards the middle that there's a content that gives you specific instructions on how to do wire transfers. In my case, I have the beneficiary name, which is Bittrex, the address, my account number, and then under the notes field, I will show you here just a bit what you need to do. Your bank routing number, bank name, actually the bank name is Silvergate Bank, and then the address of that bank. Now let's go ahead and grab that code I was just talking to you about, that it's going to go into the notes field. Now from the Bittrex screen, you're going to want to click on Wallets, and then from the Wallet screen you want to click on the Find screen or the Find search box and type in USD. USD is where you're going to make your deposit, and that's where Bittrex wants you to do that. You click on the circle, and then it's going to give you a deposit code. You're going to then copy that deposit code, click on Done. Now, we talked about opening WordPad or Notepad, and you could do that. And then you're going to go copy your code here. Once you have replaced that information, you're going to then print this out, and then you can either call the bank if they allow to do transfers over the phone, but you will have to walk into the bank and ask them to do a wire transfer to this information. Now the deposit for my account, it took about 4 to 5 hours, and then it was in my Bittrex account after that. Now that we're back at the Bittrex screen, we want to go ahead and put that order in. And so in order to do that, we want to make sure that our funds are inside Bittrex. So if we go to Wallets, we're going to go to USD, and you can see that the available balance is in there. So now that we can go back to Markets, and we're going to buy Bitcoin, so we're going to click on the first screen here, or the first record on the screen. And you can see that there's last, bid, and ask. Now, if you want to purchase the Bitcoin right away and put the order in, you have to put in ask. Okay? So if you want to put in a bid, you can if you want to wait until it gets down to that price. So now, let's go ahead and go here and say we want to do the asking price. Right now it's 4,015 for one Bitcoin. Okay, I'm going to do 110 just so that I can cover a little bit of cost there, or up and down, and it gives me the Bitcoin quantity that's going to be purchased. If I hit buy Bitcoin, it's going to show me a summary of what I'm going to purchase and then confirm. Once I do that, then I would go to orders, and you would see that my recent order has been filled. In my case, I did it just a little bit above the 415 because I just did it a little bit here recently. Now I'm waiting for this to be filled, and it's been filled, but it's not yet inside my wallet. Once this gets transferred over, you'll see it in your wallet screen, and then it'll show your balance to be under the BTC wallet. Right now it's no pending deposit, but as soon as it's filled, it'll be here and available for me. Once you do that, then you want to go to EXP Asset, and you want to make sure you click on the add funds from the dashboard right here, and then you're going to get your hex number address. You're going to copy that, and you're going to go back to Bittrex wallet, and in order to withdraw this to take it to EXP, you're going to click on the withdraw. You're going to paste the address and make sure that the spaces behind it is not present, so you're going to delete it to make sure that it's going to be a valid address. Once you do that, you would see a transaction fee and the total withdrawal that you want to take out. So you're just going to see the available balance here. You're going to type that in here and how much you want to withdraw, and you withdraw the BTC, and it'll take about 30 minutes to show up into EXP Asset. Once it goes to EXP Asset, you will see that that balance is available here in your cash wallet. Now from your wallet, you can then purchase your binary plan. From here, you're going to click on Purchase Binary Plan, and then you'll see your balance that's available. You have up to 99 purchases for binaries per year, and then you're going to go ahead and put that here. You're going to put down how many purchases you want to make. Then you pay now, and then you'll see a binary amount right here which says Binary Plan. Simple as that. Now that setup wasn't too difficult, was it? Now you can get your cash inside of Bittrex, start trading, and then move that over to your EXP Asset. So until next time, we get you going.